Good morning. Today I'm gonna discuss about the AI cartoon which is designed by my group. And our lecturer is Muhammad bin Jamaluddin. My name is Hui. And next we can proceed to the block diagram of the circuit. And the purpose of the AI cartoon design here is to allow the user can open or close the cartoon at a comfortable light intensity automatically. And the component we use including counter, multiplexer, light sensor, and logic gate. And this is the block diagram. And below here is the design of the time counter. The function of the counter is to count the time. So from here, this is the 60 mode to count 60 seconds. This is the 60 mode to count the minutes, and here is a 12 mode to count the times. And next for here is the logic gate for the light sensor. And the light sensor will only use 1 or 0 as the input signal of this logic gate. And here, and the output of the light intensity circuit will become the S0 input of the multiplexer. And the output from the timer counter will become S1 input of the multiplexer. And D3 here is the input VCC to which represent the current input, the voltage input is always on. And this is the final output. Okay, next is the final output waveform of the circuit. The input 1 is the input for the time counter and input light intensity, input VCC, and this, from output 1 to output 4 is output of every single counter that has been used in the circuit. And output S0 is the output from the light intensity circuit, which is affected by the input 2 and input 3. And output 5 is the output of the time counter. And the output final is the final action to the AI cartoon stack. So from here, the scale is 0 to 86.2 microsecond because due to the limitation of quarters 2, we cannot use the scale of 24 hours. Hence, we use the ratio of 1 nanosecond to 1 second to represent the times for a whole day. For 86.2 will become 1 day 24 hours. So from 0 to 43 here is the morning time. After the 43 here is the night time. And for this is the daytime. So the light intensity here will show that this is the morning times. And input 3, if you refer to this table, the input 3 light intensity is from the circuit 2. So if you only on, the output will only show one here, only when the light intensity is more than 200. So from here until here is the morning time with high light intensity. So from here to here, it shows the morning time with low light intensity. And after from here is the night time. So that means there is low light intensity. So next is the output here. So if you refer to this truth table, when that is daytime with high intensity, the output file here show this is daytime because the counter is still 0, 0, 0 here. And from here until here, it show have high light intensity. The curtain output here with 0. From here until here is actually show the light intensity is low light intensity. And with the output time is morning, light time, the output is 0. From here is night time, So the output file nighttime, one nighttime, and also low intensity. The output action, final action, is 1, which means that the curtain will only open when the output final is 0, and the curtain will close when the output of the final is 1. And that's all from our group. Thank you.